I have here an Xtra Muse, and what we're going to be doing is unboxing this camera that it came out from Xtra not too long ago at the lowest price of $358.99 on Black Friday. It's the camera that everyone is looking for, the content creator's camera. Yeah, we hear on the market that this is a DJI Pocket 3. Well, the DJI Pocket 3's been out for 2 years at the lowest standalone price of $299.99. And soon after, everything got blown out of proportion up to $1,000 because of the tariff wars. Well, I shoot with the Sony ZV-1F, and I have a Sony ZV-1 Mark II. Well, this camera was, you got it, a vlogger's camera for the content creators out there on social media. Now, it's the Xtra Muse. Oh man, got a lot of work to do, a lot of editing, a lot of fun. If you can't have fun doing videos and share it to the world of an unboxing, what else can I tell you? So let's open this bad boy up and get you a close-up shot. But let me tell you, it is not an Xtra Edge Pro, but a DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Oh man, to break the seal, let's get it off. You're gonna need a phone. Just to download the application, you must sign in, agree to the TOS and the information provided, and off you go. You don't have to register, but you are registered with your email account. It is called the Xtra Tech application. You could come in here, pick your videos, your library, and all that information. Just simply allow. And all your videos and everything will be here, and your camera linking and so forth. You can edit and do just about anything, and you have your profile. This camera can be found from Xtra on the live streams, depending on the day in the live stream and the percentage they give you, as low as $369 and change. Free shipping up to 3 days of you got it, getting right up to you. Well, as we open up this nice package, we have a tab and we pull everything out. Be careful of which way you open it up. It doesn't say open here, but you can see everything's right there, all packaged and sealed. Well protected. It has information that you can read up on. And the glued bags, they're just fun to take open like so. I try to save everything, and I got to redo my video for another unboxing. A nice soft case, got a little handle, and a pull string of the zipper with everything inside, all locked up, with a button to release your cradle. Your lanyard strap that people have a lot of trouble putting on. USB-C to C cable. Don't eat this, don't throw it away, put it in the box. And sliding over into another bag is going to be your camera. And that's it. This has insulation protection. That's about it. It doesn't even say Xtra on it. I wish they would have put the word Xtra Muse or something on it. As we open everything up and we're almost there, pull it on out. It's a two-tone color, black with ridges and a gun smoke gray. Well, you have your sticker on here and you have a magnet that holds this on. And one thing I may just do, clean my lens, clean the screen, charge it up, put an SD card in. That's not this one, but an A2 V30. This is not it. This is a card. Haven't opened it up. I'm not going to touch it. I'm going to put a standard Amazon Basics card on. Everybody tells you what card works with the cameras that they have. And this was one of the suggested cards to get. It costs roughly around $20. It comes with an SD card reader. This is the card. Pull it out, figure out how to get it in and which way it goes into the camera. Let's with the face facing to the ceiling, the screen to the ceiling, and see if it goes in this particular way. And it doesn't. Simply put the letterings towards the bottom, this way, like so, and place on, and simply push in. Make sure you cover half the hand with the card and the other by pressing on, so this way the card doesn't fall out. I don't love this in the way for the reason of, for me, in my opinion, it sits in there, and if I bump into it, I may just eject the card. I wish it had a little slide down or a little slide across to protect the card. I don't remove cards. A little bit of black tape, very fine, go across, fixes it for me, just saying. I take my screen off, I put that away, and I want to charge up my camera with the fast charger. And that's what I got here. And it goes into the bottom, making sure my lens stays closed, and yeah, I am charging. And this must have came from the factory, 100% charged. Let's make sure we're in there nice and firm. No, it didn't. It came from the factory, 48% charged. So this will charge in no time, like 20 minutes or so. I'll rest it either in here or over here. And that is just about the unboxing. You have this little cradle. It doesn't have a battery in or anything else, but it passed through USB-C to C. Let's open this up and see what you get inside. Pull it on out. USB-C with the 1/4 20 tripod. And that's going to get everything I want. I want to get my microphone, get it on out. Here it is. DJI. Xtra makes microphones, but they're not going to come out till later on. And probably they're just going to say, hey, use the DJI mic. Hit whichever mic you want, one or two. All you do is hold down the pick button. I can't see it if it's sequentially making its thing. All right. I like the sound of my Action 5 Pro. A little louder than the camera. And what I don't love about the application is how they have here that I can control the gimbal and move it around. A little hard to see if you ask me. There you go. Now, if I tap on the application, double tap onto my face, I got like a brightness level. And I could make it bright or dark, as you can see, getting dark. Xtra, if you're listening, how could you see like a light gray on a light color background? Please tell me. Make it a color like gold, and that will work for everybody here. I think I have to come over to the camera in order to get it to recognize my face. But I am in 1080p. Let me stop the video. Well, now I got master subject tracking, and in 60 frames per second, I don't see it on the actual camera, but I see it over here tracking me. And I only could go around from 8 p.m. to 10 a.m. or the opposite way of 4 p.m. to 2 a.m. And yeah, it will work. I can hide my face. Did you find me? Is it going to find me when I come back over here? It lost me. So let's bring it on up and have it follow me. Is it going to pick me up and re-find me? Well, things are not perfect in life, people. And I hope these test samples are what you're looking for. So what we're going to do is basically switch on back over. We're going to blow up. I'm going to learn my camera over time. I'm not going to learn it like that. Some people will, not me. Well, here I am. The camera's warm over here to the touch, and that's why they got this little grill-like things over here. It's got a nice color. Maybe I would have wished it was all one color than two-tone, but that's the way it is. And it looks like a very interesting content creator camera for all your needs. I think this would do its job for me. Flip the screen open, takes a couple of seconds. I can set it up to go on to me. And I tell you, that screen looks like the same size as the Xtra Atto, believe it or not. Some people may call it the Atto, the Atto, the Otto. And that camera will be back with me to see if that camera now charges to 100% on the Vision Dock after 4 hours and see if it's not 75% like my last one. And we're getting it back today, tomorrow, and there we are. So there is my camera, my Xtra Muse, my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this review. Basically, I made some fun doing the video and hope you could come along, and I do my best to get some shots out there the way we can, and hope you can understand who I am and what I do on this particular channel as well as the other. And on that note, I'm Fish, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for your time. This is the Xtra Muse. Before I go, you're not going to get the camera into the case. You're going to struggle to get it into the case with the actual mount. And please make sure that this mount gets 100% locked on. As you can see here, this is open just a little bit. There I go. Now it's closed. Let's put this bad boy in its cover. And it's really, really tight to get in there. I wish they would have given us a 1/4 inch more room. Take note, Xtra. Please make sure you get a case that could fit the whole thing than just part of it.